So if you're looking for software that can handle both API and the automatic conversion of PDFs into usable AutoCAD vector file formats, then look no further. Scan2CAD is the best option out there. Using the scripts that Scan2CAD uses to produce converted file formats, you can actually integrate that with your own software if needed. An example of one of the scripts that Scan2CAD uses is this one, and in this particular case it actually batch converts a bunch of PDFs that I have ready. So if you integrate this with your own software, then you can readily convert any number of PDFs into usable AutoCAD files with a press of a button. So to demonstrate the batch conversion capabilities of Scan2CAD, I've prepared a couple of files here, which you should also do if you want to convert using Scan2CAD script here. First things first is you have to have a folder full of all of the PDFs that you want to convert. In this case, I just have 3, but you can go a lot more than 3. Next, you also have to have the script file prepared. That is the key factor in using this process to convert a bunch of PDFs into usable CAD files. In this case, you might want also to visit this particular web page, which is developers.scan2cad.com/python. So it has all of the instructions that you can use when you want to mess with Scan2CAD's Python API and produce your own scripts. In this case, I have one prepared already. You have to save it as a .s2c file. And then one thing that you also need to prepare is to figure out, one, the location of the Scan2CAD program in your computer, as well as the location of the script file that we just prepared. In this case, I'm using quotation marks because some of these file addresses have spaces in them, which sometimes messes up with the process if you don't put quotation marks. So with all of these prepared, we go ahead and open up command prompt, and then we put in the saved command prompt paths that we have, both of Scan2CAD and the script that we are going to be using. We input it here and then enter. And then we wait for the program to execute here. Let me open this folder up. And as you can see, it has converted the PDF files that we had originally into .dxf files that you can then use on your AutoCAD program or any of your preferred CAD programs. And just to show you what one of these PDFs looks like, I'm going to open up this first PDF here. As you can see, kind of okay here. And then the produced PDF that we did using the script file is here. It's a pretty clean conversion, if I may say so myself. So actually, you can actually tweak a lot of the settings using the script commands that I showed you a while ago here, but you need to study it a little bit. Do note that in order for you to use the batch conversion capability of Scan2CAD, you're going to have to make sure that you have at least a Scan2CAD business package or above. So that's basically it. To recap, if you want to use the script capabilities of Scan2CAD and its Python API, you have to have a folder full of the PDF files you want to convert. You have to have saved the directory paths of both the Scan2CAD program in your computer as well as the script file, and also the script file that has all the instructions that you need to convert all the PDF files. A quick and easy way to do batch conversions and to use API to convert PDFs into AutoCAD file formats.